Oh my god, look at that. There's a groundhog. Jeep, Jeep. How's it going today, guys? Coyote here. I just got me some go-go juice and the old Supermoto tard. And ate me a burger earlier. And some chicken nuggets. Nothing but the best. So, I figured today, good job, a-hole. Today I figured we would go over here, right here, and we're going to go through Aska. Right there, see it? Aska Road. I've only been through here a few times. It's actually a pretty nice ride. I hope everyone has done something adventurous this weekend. Please let me know in the comments what you went and done, because I would like to know. I'm always curious about what people like to do for their fun and so forth, whether it be riding dirt bikes or supermotos or crotch rockets, Harleys, skydiving, kayaking. I don't care what it is, you know. Chase a bull around an arena. I mean, I'd do that. That'd be fun. On a bike, it'd be even better. But yeah, let me know in the comments. I want to know what people that subscribe to me, I want to know what they're into. I like knowing that. Tubing 4 miles. I went down this before tubing. It's actually pretty fun. I think this is it right here. This is where I started at. So we don't go across the bridge, but you have to walk over there to get to it. We had to park on the side of the road right here. And you tube all the way down this. We started from way up here though. I don't know if you're allowed to go across that bridge or not. Should we find out and see? I feel like we should. Make sure they didn't got any kind of cables up that I can't see. There's the bridge. Pretty cool, right? I mean, we've all seen bridges before. Go over here and wreck my bike since it has really awesome dirt tires on it. Wreck it and slide it out from underneath me into the water. That'll probably be alright. Oh gosh, no. You ain't supposed to be back here. You need to get out of here right now. I can feel this bike trying to like wash out sometimes in the curves or whatever. It wants to. It's like, don't test me. I'll do it. Oh man, crazy bike. Crazy bike. I'm the one talking to myself. Yeah. Think about that when you watch your YouTubers and stuff. Like, I mean, this guy's smart. This guy's good, man. Like, he's a really intelligent guy. Although he's talking to himself right now, hours or even days even before the video is even published. So tell me that's not crazy. It's gonna be bad when I have to just lock it up. I'll just have to push my bike over one way and just like that and just kick it off, and I'll go this way. Like that. There's a car behind me. They probably think I'm crazy right now. What in the world is he doing up there? He lost his daggum mind. Alright, let's see where we are here. Oh, this is where we turned at. And we must be right here. Come across the bridge right here. Yeah, see Aska Road, yeah. And when we get right there, we'll take a left or go this way. That brings us about back towards, I think around where Rock Creek is. Where I went riding for my paintball and everything. Oh, slide out from underneath me. We're good. Yeah. There's the Jeep. Jeep, beep, beep. I'm gonna start doing that every time. Fishing out there? I didn't even see him. No, he's just like swimming, hanging out with his dog on. That's awesome. Can you imagine, like, if you were friends, like if you were like in your childhood, your friend lived right across the creek or whatever thing, so every day you had to walk across the creek to get to your friend's house. I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, throw that rope over there. I'm not gonna make it. Use your legs, Cletus. Cletus, use your legs. You can swim with your legs too. Bump, bump. All right, back on to our Aska Road. Jeep, Jeep. See? That's what I'll do. Jeep, Jeep, beep, beep. Make sure I'm still recording. Yes, sir. Actually, no. Wait. Let's see if I'm still recording. This is what this is here for, if y'all were noticing it. Yep, still recording. Ain't that cool? Reduce speed ahead. Don't tell me what to do. But everybody flips their wig around here if you do a wheelie. Don't do a wheelie. Oh my God. You're going to jail, son. Like, come on. Oh my God, look at that. There's a groundhog. I don't think it's a big deal to do wheelies. Or nose wheelies even. Especially if there's like, if I was doing wheelies like through traffic, a bunch of traffic, then I would understand. This is really pretty right here. Look at them horses. Hey! Fox Mountain Camp. John Ron, half mile canoe kayaks. Restaurants. Restrooms. I wish there was a restaurant. Which way do we want to go? This is the way we gotta go. We gotta go left. I just don't know which way to go. Let's go left real quick. Or right, I mean. See where it goes. Alright, now we're going left. Well, straight now, but we were going left where we were before, you know. You know what I mean. Now I don't know where I'm at, so I'm just going to keep going left. Where this goes. Oh, okay. This ain't it. This ain't where we're going. We're lost. Oh God, no. We're stranded. Don't have my backpack. We gotta build a fire. Let's go find some rocks. We gotta build a fire. Go ahead and get started while we got daylight, and we gotta go kill a squirrel or that groundhog back there. And we gotta skin it and we make a fur coat out of it. This is where I need to practice wheelies at. I bet you there ain't no cops ever come out here. Behind me, and there's a cop. Yeah, that's how my luck usually goes. So if we can get 100. I've never been 100 on it before. Alright, 100, come on. See if we can do it. It's not gonna do it. Come on, baby. Come on. It ain't gonna do it. Come on. Come on. Yes. Oh my God. Oh, I did 100. Finally. So hard to do it. I missed my turn back there. As you can tell, the DRZs ain't made for speed, obviously. But they're fun to ride, I'll tell you that. I've ridden a lot of bikes in my life, but I've had more fun out of this bike than I think any bike I've ever ridden. Turn signal would be nice. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today, riding through Aska. Please, for me, like, subscribe, share it to your friends and everything, you know. Help get me out there and help me grow my channel. I would really appreciate it a lot. Leave down in the comments below what you did, adventurous. I'd like to know. I want to know. I'm curious about stuff like that. So just let me know. And guys, I guess I will see you next time. Have a wonderful day.